Bowden! Should I lay my hammer down? Who's louder than the other guy?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome SPIDEY LV to the house back at Fremont Street Experience. And I have, look at what I have here. It's Frank Castle in the house.
My real name. Those are a part where I said, call me right now. Wethead. Right back down. I'm gonna have you up if you don't stop. Didn't I tell you to get that camera out of my face? Yeah, all right, BATMAX in the house.
Hey, that works just like mine. Yeah, BATMAX in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Be fighting for me. Oh, don't suck my butt! She's sucking my butt! Oh no! That's what I get! Oh no! Do you have holy water? You liked it. I need the holy water now!
Hey, next week you're gonna come out as spider, vampire?
I think, yeah! I got bitten! Welcome to Fremont Street Experience! All the time! It's raining! The Dark Knight in the house! Yeah! I have a question, why are you so pissed off all the time? Why are you always pissed off all the time?
This face is gonna get us more tips.
Oh, really? I think you're gonna scare a lot of people.
Yeah? Like you?
Yeah.
Get out of my face, Parker!
Ah! He's always pissed all the time, every single time, every day! Oh, the superhero is in the house! What's up, Iron Man? THOR in the house. We got all the Marvels in DC. You want to go to DC? That's so much better than Hawkeye. I think I gotta take your number.
Second division win. We square off next season finale. Pitting the best of each cast against each other. I want to see 7 teams bring their A game.
Relax! Relax! You need to relax!
Parker, if I gotta warn you one more time about that camera, I'm gonna stick it up your spider ass.
This is
All right. This is interesting. All right, Punisher, how long have you been standing here?
Too long.
Too long. And until now, we never get any tips. What's going on over here?
I always thought I wanted to cosplay until I did.
Oh, okay. Let's try it again one more time. Oh, it's Captain. Oh no, it's a video.
You want a video?
Yeah, we're on the video right now.
Well, let's start it out right.
Did he just steal your camera?
Yeah, Captain America.
Do you want me to take care of it for you?
Thanks, brother.
Captain America.
It's been done.
It's been done.
He destroyed himself by putting that ridiculous outfit on.
Yeah.
I mean, he always got the shield. Fuck him up. That's right. Yeah. Good name, Phil.
Get him?
It's like one of the videos. All you see is
No, Max, you gotta get lower. Get lower.
there you go.
Shut him!
You gotta get lower. Get lower.
Shoot all those Avengers!
I'm not impressed.
Yeah. Oh man, I hope who's that guy, the magician from the magic shop at Riviera? You know who's the guy I'm talking about?
Who's that?
Huh?
I never heard of him. What's his name?
Yeah, the King. I wish he was here.
The
You
King?
see that? Yeah, he's missing all the action.
The King?
Yeah,
What is he,
the
like
King.
an Elvis impersonator? Why does he call himself the King?
I have no idea. Yeah, he just called himself the King.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, he should do that on the street, right here, on the street. On Fremont Street Experience. Right?
right.
All right.
Time.
All the time.
Every day.
Every day.
I have no qualms about
Almost a superhero fight, buddy.
So, BATMAX, which one you like better to hang around? Right here at Fremont Street Experience or at the MGM?
I gotta admit, Fremont is a lot more fun. Okay, there's a lot more people and stuff. Good, it's good money.
It's good money,
But
right?
yeah, you gotta leave quick because the drugs come quick.
Yeah,
And it's
that's right.
drugs. That's the only thing I don't like about nighttime is people have been drinking, they get dumb, and
They go crazy, yeah.
Yeah,
They
so
go
I'll leave.
crazy. Yeah. All right.
As you see, it's already starting, man. It's only 8:30.
Yep. It's going. Yeah, it's going crazy. Yeah. We get used to that one now.
You can tell
Yeah.
how the attitudes change.
Yep. Yeah. Hey, look, it's Elmo. All right. Elmo in the house.
This is the song. La 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 la.
Yeah, everybody's here. Yeah.
Elmo song.
Let's see what's gonna happen if you tickle Elmo. Did you see that? One more time.
He likes to sing la 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 la.
Awesome.
Elmo song. La 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 la.
Yeah.
Elmo song. He wrote the
That's
music.
Elmo, ladies and gentlemen.
He wrote the words.
Right here, Fremont Street Experience.
Elmo song.
Wow,
Elmo's on the iron web. Oh, yeah, the big red
What is that? I don't even know what that is.
Tickle me elbow.
It's freaking me out.
That's tickle me elbow.
I don't want to give anybody a hug. Because I'm very upset and angry and all that stuff. All right, I'll give him a hug. Now I feel better. I feel much better now. No, I don't. Get out of here. Get out of my face, Parker.
Relax. Everything's gonna be all right. Okay? Yeah.
We're not very cheerful, folks.
Just put a smile on your face. We need the Joker here.
Okay, I'm going to try. I'm going to give it a shot, okay? Watch.
Yeah, bigger more. Yeah, try it.
I can't do it, I tell you. I can't smile.
It's colder than hell out here.
I'm Grumpy Cat.
Let me see that.
You, Punisher.
What do you want?
Let me see him cut.
You're going to pull my finger.
Let me see
You're
him
going to
cut.
pull the trigger with that big hand. Oh.
Elmo's mad. Elmo's mad. Why? What's going on? Elmo's mad. Ah!
Elmo's smashed.
Ah!
Kevlar. No brain.
Alright, let's see that kick.
Hey, it's Woody. It's Woody. Woody and Woody and Buzz.
Where? Those hot chicks over there?
Yeah.
Those hot chicks, they make me smile.
There you go. That's what I want. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Finally, you smile. It's about time. Woo! Yeah.
Now I can't stop it. I keep smiling and I can't stop. Get that camera out of my face.
Yeah.
Good job. You don't know who I am.
You don't know who he is?
I don't.
Come on, dude.
That's Frank Castle, man.
Come on. He's the very famous one.
Did I tell you you could use my real name?
Oh! Dude, he's scary. He's really pissed off. I can't. Yeah.
Come on, man. You have to remember.
I am gonna stand behind Elmo.
You have to remember.
Scary dude.
Huh? You gotta know who he is. He's the famous one. Marvel.
Marvel.
Yeah, from the Marvel. No, not Marvel. From the Marvel. Come on, man. Come on.
He's Captain Lunatic.
Something little thing, no. Okay, his name is Frank Castle.
Is your enemy, yes?
Huh? No, he's not my enemy. He's a friend of mine. Come on. He's the Punisher.
I really don't know.
Come on, man. He's the Punisher.
Oh no!
You gotta watch the movie Punisher.
I have.
I'm gonna give you 5, but only if I get to shove this gun up your ass.
Punisher, dude.
I can't fit that up there. It's the Grim Reaper. Hey, are you the Grim Reaper?
I could be.
You could be.
Just name it.
He doesn't know who you are.
Nobody knows who you are.
Nobody knows who you are.
What do I look like, Captain Obscurity?
What do you think of that? What do you think of that?
I try not to think. Well, this here,
That's the only thing that makes me smile.
Punisher! But nobody knows who you are!
I gotta wait. If he does something again, he's gonna be punished. But that's only if he does something.
Okay. So
Keep an eye
that
out.
dude, the one that talked to you a while ago, he's interrupting the magician.
That's right.
Right.
And you don't interrupt a magician. Not on my watch.
Yeah, that's right.
Keep your eye out. It might get a little hairy here in a minute. Keep an eye on him.
Alright, that dude right there. We thought he was a nice dude. He was like talking to Punisher a while ago. You know, just calm down. And now, when he left, he's interrupting the magician. Right? Let's see.
Now we're recording. That's exactly right. See, I had my eye on you because I don't have you interrupting the magician again, or I'm going to pull you out of there. Just so you know that.
This is your show.
That's correct.
That's not his show.
But that's his show, and he's a street performer just like we are. So if you make a move again, I'm going to grab you by the back of your neck and pull you out of the crowd. And that's going to make good TV, just so you know that.
Yeah, did you know somebody got punched in the face for interrupting a performer?
You seem like a nice guy. I don't want to have to resort to violence.
Yeah. Hey, tell him the story. What happened to the guy that interrupted the performer? Punch in the face, remember?
You just told him the story.
Yeah.
See this? He's fucking choking me right now. No, that was not my hand.
There you go.
Cool guy. If you get involved with the street performers, then you bring yourself towards me. That means you're guilty. And the guilty will be punished.
You'll die! 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 What the heck? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, what can you say about that guy? That's creepy.
I'm gonna say this. If you don't stop putting that camera in my face, I'm gonna turn you into a little ball like that. I'm gonna bend you up like a pretzel, and I'm gonna throw you out of here.
Oh my goodness. Get out! Get out! Get out!
So it's kind of
See,
warm.
during the day I can hit the sun.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's really an honor
We're gonna go.
to working with BATMAX.
It was
Yeah.
only a Tuesday anyway, so it's not like we were making a lot of money.
Yeah, it's Tuesday night. It's a slow night tonight, but you know, it's an honor to work with this guy, the BATMAX in the house.
Yep.
Ow!
That's why
Yeah,
we're
thank you,
here.
man.
Speak for yourself. It's not an honor to work with any of you. That's right. I don't like anybody, and I'm mad all the time.
Yeah, you have to come down, man. You have to come down.
That's it.
All right. All right.
Not a road trip.
I'll catch you later, Batman, next time. Yeah. Same channel. Iron Web and Spidey LV.
Be good, guys.
All right. Awesome.
All right.
All right, all the time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, time to wrap up. It's getting cold, ladies and gentlemen, here at Fremont Street Experience. All the Avengers, they left, Thor and BATMAX. So just me and the Punisher. So it's time to wrap up, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you guys next time.
I'm not cold. I'm not cold because of my anger. My blood keeps me warm. I'll kill everybody.
What's going on, Frank?